All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're going to do a quick review of the YouTube portfolio. As you can see, this is the taxable account individual right here. And our highlights are BABA, Starbucks, Tesla, Home Depot, and FSPGX, our large cap growth fund that I'll post the video on if you want to learn more about this. And it's a total so far of $24,472. We have been buying since 2022. Automatic investments, buying $250 of FSPGX, and soon this fund will absorb into this one, but it's about almost $17,500 invested total cost basis. FSPGX, my biggest winner, 90% of the portfolio if you add up to 85.78% and the 4.22%, because the tech stocks have been having a great year in 2024 as well as 2023. So you can see we're up almost 26%. So that is excellent. We're doing awesome with that. Now we're starting to add to other positions here. We use the YouTube revenue of $250 we made last month thanks to Google paying me from the ads from the channel of you guys watching. So thank you for subscribing and liking my videos. I'm using the revenue that I'm making from YouTube to buy this. So I bought Home Depot, $327 a share, $250 worth. We're already up 8%. We bought them on a dip, $327 up to $355. I wanted to add more, but we got to wait until we get paid. So next month on the 1st, right now we're at $150 in revenue. Hopefully it gets up to about $200. And tell me what you think. Should I be adding to this position, either BABA, Starbucks, Tesla, Home Depot, or should we look for another stock to add? So right now, our biggest loser is Starbucks at 3.64%. We have $841.99 invested and at a cost basis of $82.90, where it's trading at $79.91. Now, these are long-term holds, so I don't really care about the day-to-day where it's going. I'm going to buy them and hold them long-term, but I want to show you the dividend view real quick. You can see here, what am I making from dividends with this portfolio? It's not much because it's a growth portfolio, and that's why I'm trying to add more dividend stocks in here now. As you can see, BABA pays me $7 annually. FSPGX really doesn't pay much. It doesn't even show an amount here because it's 0.01 per share. And although I have about 620 shares when you combine both, I'm not getting really anything for that. But that's okay because I'm up over 30 or 26%. Now you look here, Home Depot $6 and then Starbucks $23.15. So we got to start building these positions because Tesla doesn't pay a dividend either. So we got to start building a position that will make sense and start growing over time. FSPGX, I'm just showing you really quickly. You can see here, year to date, it's up 20%, which is excellent. 1 year, it's up 33%. But when you start dragging out a little longer, over 5-year time frame, it's up 19% with a good expense ratio of 0.04%, rated 5 stars out of 1,100. This is the top growth fund that I use. I think it's perfect. We'll break it down even further, but I just want to give you the overview on what my account looks like right now, and this is where we're at. So guys, this is another viewpoint that Fidelity offers. Right now, you can see my asset allocation right here. It is showing that I am at 99% invested in stocks, which is a most aggressive portfolio. And when I really break this down, domestic stock, I'm 97%. So I'm starting to, evaluate the portfolio. I want to get some foreign stock in here. I'm only at 2%. So I might use the revenue I make from YouTube to buy some international funds. I'll definitely post a video on it of which one I'm going to buy. But unless another stock, individual stock, goes on sale, I'm potentially going to buy another international index fund or ETF, and we'll break that down further. But this is the breakdown concentration here. There's no over concentration in an individual stock. My highest portion right now is 3% in Starbucks. Tesla is at 2% of the portfolio. BABA is at 2%. I'm having a strict goal of no more than 7% in an individual stock. So I'm trying to maintain that rule. And when I add to them, I want to wait for dips and then buy them. So if Starbucks dips a little more or BABA, maybe I'll add to them. But I don't want them to be anywhere more than 5 to 7% of the portfolio. I want this growth fund to be at least above 80%. So I'm trying to maintain that as we grow it. And when you look in the bottom left here, it just says that The stock holdings in the account differ from a benchmark that follows the US stock market because I'm in all growth funds. You know, you look at FSPGX, and this fund is just mainly all big cap, large growth stocks. I mean, just look at the composition real quick. I just want to show you the top 10 holdings. 55% of the portfolio is in Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia, Amazon, Meta, Google, Eli Lilly, Broadcom, and Tesla. I added more Tesla in my individual taxable portfolio because it's only at 1.84%, and I want Tesla to be 5% of the portfolio. It's only at 2% right now because I'm waiting for it to sell off more. If it does, then great, I can add more to it. Now, I just want to show you guys, this is not rocket science. Look at this order. Buy $250 of FSPGX. I'm buying it every single Monday. Look at the history on the bottom, June 17th, the 10th, the 3rd. Year to date, all I'm doing is buying FSPGX every single Monday. I was buying $250 starting May 13th, and before that, I was doing $100 every single Monday. Any extra cash I have lying around on the month, I add to it as well. So just buying over and over and over has netted me these 30% gains that you see on FSPGX. I'm not even watching, I'm just automatically buying. So that's just a good lesson for anybody that's doing automatic investments. I'll post that video at the end as well so you can follow it if you want to learn how to do automatic investments on Fidelity. But this is what I do, and it's working out very well. And just continue to auto buy and follow the path to long-term investing. Definitely check out my channel. So guys, this is my channel, Trading Simplified on the left, 2,200 subs. Thank you guys so much. We have 2 members so far. Thank you guys for joining, supporting the channel. You guys are awesome. Definitely check out my content. I have plenty of playlists for you guys. We have investing ideas, that's current up-to-date market stuff, my trading P&L of 2024, Fidelity index funds and ETFs if you want more specific funds, my taxable portfolio, which is already being shown right here. It'll be added to this playlist. My Vanguard investments, investing for beginners, long-term investments, my Fidelity Active Trader Pro, where I day trade on, shows you how to use it if you want to learn, and just trading strategies that I use day in, day out. It's all free. Check it out. Watch the videos. I'm trying to make money just off of YouTube. You guys watching it, let Google pay me. And I appreciate you guys for tuning into the channel and staying this long.